I'm running my entire business with AI employees, and you can do it too. I have my operation team, my sales team, my content team, whatever I need. I give them work, they execute in parallel, full autonomy. I check back later, job is done. In this video, I will show you exactly how it looks, the real deal. And the best part, you don't need tech skills. You don't need expensive and messy tool stacks. You just need to know your business and what you want. And even if you don't know what you want, there is an AI strategist employee to help you figure it out. I call that the lean GPT business. And Claude Code is all what you need to achieve this. I've perfected this for months, but that's the result of thousands of hours spent in crafting AI systems, AI agents for business scenarios for the past 3 years. I teach that in my CCGG community. My full system is there so that you can copy and paste it inside your business right away. Now, let me show you what it looks like working with AI employees. Here I have 3 teams. I have my operation teams, I have my content creation team, and I have my customer success team. And what I could do at the beginning of the day, I could say something, I could work with my operation team, say, hey, I'd like to capture the latest SOPs we've created the past weeks so that we can package it into the business operation systems. And then I could ask my content team, hey, I would like you to map the next content work we have to do the next few days based on the content IDs we have captured in last sessions. And then for my customer success team, hey, I'd like to create a feedback collection form as well as an email sequence to collect feedback from our best customers. And then I let them work. I let my team work. And let's suppose I also want in parallel my team to work on a new content. I would just call a new Claude Code session. I would say, hey, I'd like you to work on a specific content ID to show the different ways we can use sub-agents inside Claude Code. And that's it. And now I can do something else. Let them work for me. And here and then I can just check what they're doing. For instance, here, the team in charge of SOPs, they are checking my logs and they are finding the different SOPs we have worked on the past week. It can see the different SOPs we've developed, and it will just work on it and update the systems that need to be updated. I don't want to enter into the details here, but it's doing it. And then the content team in charge of creating content, they're doing it. Like Claude Code is calling the sub-agents, and they will craft the content for me. And then I will review that, validate, give feedback, and so on, of course, but they're doing it in parallel. And here, what was that already? Oh, content work map. It's done already. They have done the content work map, okay? For tomorrow, Friday, I have what to do in terms of content. The next day, content creation sprint, different videos, school pricing, almost money models videos. And look what it's doing. In addition, it's telling how we need to do it. We need to invoke the sub-agent. We need to give this work to magnetic content orchestrator sub-agent so I can start the content creation process. And next week, hey, guess what? I have productivity transformation video to do, etc. Okay, and then I have my content calendar overview, the content I need to craft. Why? Because beforehand I've captured my content ID on the fly, brain dump, just putting the file or the transcript there. It knows it is IDs that we need to explore. And so now my content team is crafting the calendar for me. And look here, there is no automation. There is not N8 and whatever, all that crap plugging this with Airtable whatsoever. No, it's not just there. I have my team. I give them IDs, they execute. That's the way I want to work inside my business, right? Here, they are going. My content team is going on with creating the next content. And here, my customer success team, what they're doing, they are creating feedback collection, form structure and questions, creating email sequence for feedback. And guess what? They have access to skills to create email sequence. They have access to my brand, my product details, so that they can create that on point without me having to give them, again, details about my brand, details about the product, details about the transformation we give to our customers. They don't need that. They have that already inside the system. Oh, by the way, the SOP package for Business OS is done. Okay, so I will stop there with the key moment just to show you that that's the way to work with AI, really. Like, you have teams, you give them work, they operate in parallel, and you just check. You can see how productive you could be if you had such system. This is how I run my business now. I give work to my AI team, parallel execution, no toolstack nightmare, and they're actually pretty smart. But you know what? You can do it too. In my CCGG community, I show everything I do, and I give systems and support for my members to implement. The link is in the description. Stop drowning in overpriced AI tools and start running your business like this. I see you inside the community.